everyone, welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. Today we have an update from NLU Haryana regarding the vacant seats. As we already know, students those who have written Clat 2023 examination have got allocation under various counseling procedures in various NLUs, and this is an update for those candidates who did not get any allocation. So universities are releasing vacant seats in their own websites. So for the convenience of our students, we at Abhyaas Lawprep has created a dedicated website so that details regarding various vacant seats of different NLUs will be appeared in one single page. So this is the page. Just type NLU vacant seats in Google. Dedicated link will be appeared from Abhyaas Lawprep, and this page will be opened. Here in this particular page we are giving all the details of various NLUs and their vacant seats and the application link and the notification link. And now we have an update from NLU Haryana. So let us look here. This is the notification link. After clicking here, notification will be appeared. Let us look into the details of the notification. So a total of 16 vacant seats are available with NLU Haryana under various categories. Under General 2 seats, under EWS quota 3 seats, SC category 2 seats, OBC 4 seats, and General category of Haryana 3 seats, and BC A category of Haryana 2 seats. The total overall 16 seats under All India quota and Haryana state quota. 16 seats are available. And the rank was not specified by NLU Haryana. It is purely on merit basis based on the applications received. And the last date to pay the fee is 12th July 2023, and the application you have to submit by 12th July. And with that application, you need to approach NLU Haryana physically. The counseling procedure will be on 19th July 11 AM. So before 12th July, you need to pay the fee and submit the Google form regarding your candidature by paying 1000 rupees non-refundable fee. After that, with the same application, you have to approach NLU Haryana directly on 19th July, where at 11 AM your counseling procedure will be starting. So these are the basic details. Let us look into the links through which we can apply. So in that particular website, if you click on the payment link, this is the website which you will see, or simply search NLU Haryana in the Google, so that a page will be open. Here directly click on the website page will be opened. This is the website page. Here click on admission session. This page will be appeared. So vacant seats admission. So first you need to pay through the payment portal given here. After clicking on this payment portal, this page will be opened. So you need to submit all your details: student name, father's name, your Clat All India rank and Clat roll number, mobile and email ID, and academic session. Click on 2023-24. Though it is 5 years program, but in this particular website, because you are entering in 2023, so this is the year you have to submit. And category, choose any other, because different payments are available with NLU Haryana. Now you are applying for vacant seats, so click on any other. And remarks, here type vacant seats, application for vacant seats, and click on the amount 1000 rupees and click here checkbox and submit, so that you will be redirected to the payment gateway. After paying, the slip will be generated. That receipt, download that receipt and come back to the NLU Haryana website. Here there is application through Google form. If you click on this Google sheet will be appeared. So here again you need to submit all your details: your name, father name, mother name, address, Clat rank, Clat roll number, your Clat scorecard, and the payment which you have made, the 1000 rupees payment receipt you have to upload, your email ID and category which you are applying for, and okay, here is your category, and here the category in which candidates seek admission, and parents mobile number and your mobile number, and finally submit. So after submitting, your candidature will be registered with NLU Haryana, and this notification is for even for future vacancies. And if you did not get any allocation and if you are wish to join in NLU Haryana, utilize this opportunity. For any doubts, you can always reach us at Abhyaas Lawprep, and we will keep our phone number in the description section so that if in case of doubt you can always contact us. So utilize this opportunity. All the best.